Hi, this is the video overview of assignment number 8, the technical research report. So for your 8th assignment, you will be writing your technical research report. Your technical research report will identify and describe a specific problem in your field of study, propose multiple solutions to the problem, make recommendations for solving the problem based on your primary and secondary research, use secondary research to write about the problem, solutions, and recommendations, and also use primary research to write about the problem, solutions, and recommendations. This report will be the culminating assignment of all your research work thus far this semester. You need to use a minimum of 5 academic or technical secondary sources, including articles and web pages, and you will use at least one form of primary research in your report. However, keep in mind many students find it necessary to use more than the minimum of 5 sources. This assignment is worth 350 points, 50 points for the outline and 300 points for the final report. So your process, please make sure you review the instructional content for this assignment. The instructional content materials are going to give you very detailed instruction on each part of the report. So please make sure you review them carefully so that you understand the requirements for each section of this report. There are also 2 samples in the course, so you can take a look at sample 1 or sample 2. So taking a look at the instructional content, you will see that there's a single web page, What is a Technical Research Report? And then you can see that each element or each part of the report has a little pull-down menu that goes over the components. So the components that make up the front matter, what needs to be in the abstract, what needs to be in the section on the introduction to the problem, what needs to be in the section on the solutions to the problem, the recommendation and conclusion, and then all of the back matter, including the references and the appendices. So it's extremely important that you take a detailed dive into all of these elements of the instructional materials. You also want to make sure you understand that there is a rubric for the outline and there is a rubric for the technical research report. So as you're working on those 2 elements of this assignment, please make sure you're also reviewing the rubric. You've been conducting research all semester. Now it's time to finalize it. So the first part of this assignment is to create an outline and submit that outline to D2L. There is a sample outline in the course that shows the depth of information that's expected in the outline. Then your instructor will provide you feedback on your outline so that you can draft your report. Before submitting it, make sure you use the technical research report checklist that's based on the rubric, and then you'll submit your report to D2L and then review your instructor's feedback before beginning assignment number 9. So the technical research report should be about 7 to 8 pages in length, excluding the front matter. So the front matter is going to be the title page, the table of contents, and the list of figures. The back matter would be the references page and the appendix. None of these pages count toward the page count. It's 7 to 8 pages of text. So again, making sure you take a look at the instructional content so that you understand what's expected for all the front matter and what's expected for the back matter. Then these are going to be all of the sections that your report is going to have. Your technical research report is going to be written in APA format with embedded citations and textual evidence, keeping in mind that APA style does require the vast majority of your research to be paraphrased and summarized. So on your outline and in your final paper, please make sure you are paraphrasing. Now, technical reports often include graphics or visuals. So you did an assignment where you evaluated a graphic that you could possibly use in this report. So, maybe at this point in time things have changed and you want to find a different graphic or utilize the same one from your previous assignment, but please be sure to include graphics. Keep in mind technical reports may also include numbered or bulleted lists, and technical reports are going to have section headers that are listed above. And you may have additional secondary and tertiary headers as well. All of that is described in the instructional content. The point of view for this paper must be third-person point of view because you are using research in order to document your problems, solutions, and recommendations. Now, please make sure you talk to your instructor with any specific questions about this assignment. But all your research you've done so far this semester is leading you up to this technical research report. So please make sure you reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.